Reshyne is a digital platform that makes it easy for jewelry and watch businesses to offer their customers a seamless, secure, and on-brand repair experience. Traditional jewelry and watch repairs' outdated processes have disappointed customers and held the industry back. Reshyne streamlines the repairs process for today's landscape with a high-octane, white-label platform. Upload your company branding and select your own digital menu of repair options. It's that simple. Then your customers can place orders online, print out shipping labels, and send in their items contact-free, all from your website. Reshyne gives your business full visibility into the details of each repair as it comes in, so you can assign work across your team and process repairs as usual. Or you can offer your customers repairs for the first time using our fulfillment services. We'll complete and deliver work orders for you at our state-of-the-art facility. With Reshyne, you own all your customer interactions and relationships from start to finish. Your customers will benefit from a transparent and reliable experience while you tap into deep sales management capabilities and real-time revenue dashboards. Adding repair services can drive 30 to 40% in additional revenue for jewelry and watch businesses. And brands that already offer repairs stand to increase revenue and loyalty by lengthening the customer lifecycle. Whatever your jewelry specialty may be, Reshyne handles repairs so you can get back to doing what you do best. Ready to put Reshyne to work? Schedule a demo today.